Welcome to Caymas Naples, Florida. October 2025 update in 4K. 8 beautifully designed model homes are now open for viewing. Caymas spans approximately 700 acres and will feature 443 luxury residences, including 87 estate homes. Floor plans range from 2,400 to over 4,000 square feet, offering some of the largest lake views in Naples. The community's planned amenities include a gated entrance and 18-acre clubhouse campus, a 25,000 square foot clubhouse with indoor and outdoor dining, plus a private dining room, a fully equipped fitness center, a resort-style pool, tennis, bocce ball, and pickleball courts, kayaking and water sports on the scenic lakes. Estimated fees and assessments. One-time fees, $7,500 at closing, plus a $2,000 capital contribution. Quarterly landscaping fees, estimated between $405 and $532. Quarterly Master Association fee, approximately $2,403.64. Annual CDD-O&M assessment, around $726.16. Annual CDD debt assessment ranges from $1,686.14 to $2,918.32.
For more information about real estate in Naples, Florida, contact Southwest Coast Realty at 239-229-9926.